Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're going to see how to see who viewed your Snapchat profile. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Snapchat Bitmoji, and there if you scroll down, you'll see an option, my public account or my public story. And all you need to do is go to settings and scroll down until you see an option, public profile settings. Go there and make your profile public. Once it is public, there will be some insights to your account that will pop up, and from there you can just know who viewed your Snapchat profile. So first and foremost, just make sure that your Snapchat account is public, and then Snapchat will automatically give you insights of your account. That's it. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.